back to the LJ channel. Today I will be doing my second build on the channel, and I will make a pool party area on one of my beaches. I've changed my outfit to this dress that I made and a pineapple hat that Whitney gave me. So yeah, kind of random, I guess. And this is also random, but this is something Whitney said to me that I happened to get on video, so I thought I should add this in. Darling, what do you think of my flea? I know what you're thinking. Why would someone with her exquisite taste keep that in her home? Because we bring out the best in one another, that's why. I give it bits of food to nibble on, and in return, it keeps me company when I'm feeling lonely. We can learn so much about ourselves when we step outside our comfort zone, Snappy. So that was just something kind of weird that I got on camera, so I don't know. I just thought I should put it in this video for some reason, so it is here. Yeah. Hello and welcome to the part of the video where I actually build stuff. So this is the beach I will be building the pool party on, and these are all the items that I have gathered for the build. Yeah, I will start speeding it up now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel for more Animal Crossing content. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I had making it. Goodbye! I'll see you next time on the Nella J channel.